Here is 3 reasons to strip rather than sand. Some might argue that stripping is also less toxic than sanding because we aren't releasing abrasive particles into the atmosphere. Tell me what you think below in the comments. Number 1, I believe in preserving the carved details. Carved details can be so easily lost forever using abrasive materials. Once a profiled edge is sanded away, you can't ever get it back. There is nothing worse than seeing a refinished piece where the profiles and carvings have been clearly sanded and flattened. After stripping, you will only need a gentle hand sand to scuff the surface and remove any last remnants of colour. Number 2, it preserves the character. Using a paint stripper allows us to preserve the unique character and charm that comes with age. Stripping removes the finish but not the natural character marks and dents. Number 3, it is less aggressive on the wood. As I already mentioned, sanding can be too harsh. We also don't need to remove any of the wood. It's already been sanded underneath the finish, so that's all we need to remove. Stripping is a gentle approach, making it ideal for older pieces.